This is your BTC analysis with Amr Hassanin. So, I have prepared this graph and these Fibonacci levels just before we start. And I replaced all the old lines, support and level lines, because it seems here like the Fibonacci just telling everything. See, the support levels are very clear. We have the 23.6, we have the 50% here, has been tested once, this tested 100 times. So yesterday we had that long red candlestick, and we were expecting that it will go break that level and go even higher, but of course it didn't. It didn't, yeah. And that's because that long candlestick has broken too many levels. It was very strong, it broke too many levels, and then we had that moving average wasn't able to hold. It tried to do some pressure here to push up the price a little bit, but it didn't work. Then it fell down again, as I said, to the 11,100 level. So usually when you get such a fall in a price in one day, and we have that long candlestick in the lower band coming from the moving average, it's scary, right? Because it seems like it's gonna go down and make a new low. But I don't think this is going to make a new low for some reason. I think the new low will come after touching that level. If it rebounds from that level, I would be very scared. If it goes up, touch that level, and then come down, I'd be so like fucking scared, because it means it's just gonna go down to 5,000 or something. So let's be optimistic for now. So the optimistic scenario, maybe we have a little push down here, but I think this is support area, very strong support area. It's gonna push the price back up. Yeah, and the new low is not gonna be made unless it touches that trend line. So what's happening now is, I think the optimistic scenario would be that in the 4 hours here, can see some, if you see the wicks here is getting shorter and shorter, it seems like building momentum is gonna take these 2 points as a trend line and shoot up from that level to 13 or 14,000. That's the optimistic scenario. But just be careful that we should watch the next few hours. It shouldn't cross below the 11,200. If it goes below that level and then it will go below 11, then it's dead, khalas. It's not gonna, this support line is not gonna work. Our trend line is not gonna work. So if it in the next few hours it stays in that levels, then at a certain point it will gain momentum and push up again to 13,000 and maybe 14,000 as well. So that's all. I just want to remind everyone, I just say always the scenarios, and I say the conditions. Every scenario has a condition. So basically, you can say, if you see if you can sell, if you're going to sell or you're going to buy, and you have to make your decisions based on this. If there is any optimism, you see the conditions. You see the conditions is being achieved. Like if you see that we have a green candlestick here and then it's moving upward, then the price is going up, you feel comfortable, because If you buy from here, you have definitely like 10% or 20% going up from that level, 11,000 to 14,000. So, but if it crosses down, then it's time to sell and maybe buy from a lower point if it goes below 11,000. So that's how you should use these videos to make buying and selling decisions. All right? And let me know if you have any questions, please. Thank you.